Yo, guess where am I? Yes, I'm back to Penang just after 5 months. If you have watched my previous video about Penang, you can tell how much I love Penang. But this time around, this video is going to be a little bit different. Previous video, I focused a lot of food in Georgetown area, food that are more mainstream. But this video is going to be about food that is out of Georgetown, eat the food that is less mainstream. So mainly are the food that I miss when I was working in Penang last time. Without further ado, let's go! If you are craving for some soupy noodle dish, you must try this Kway Teow Teng or Kway Teow soup, located in Sungai Nibong here. Personally, I think it's the best Kway Teow Teng in Malaysia itself. Yeah. If you are hunting for some simple and classic nasi lemak over here for breakfast, you should come to this food court here. So it's called Ali Nasi Lemak. I like it because it's so simple, so classic, and it's only wrapped in banana leaf, and that's all. There's no newspaper or what, it's just banana leaf. So I think the banana leaf boosts up the fragrance of the nasi lemak as well. So you should come and try this award-winning nasi lemak. If you are craving for some simple, classic, local kopitiam breakfast in Penang, this is a go-to where you have classic kaya and butter toast and classic coffee. So this is one of my favorite kopitiam or food stalls because they have many different variety of foods, and most of the foods here are okay. And it's called the Genting Cafe Kopitiam. And my personal favorite, there are 3 foods that are my personal favorite here. Is the Thailand pork knuckle rice, and also the Jawa mee, and lastly is the very famous peanut butter sauce chee cheong fun. So if you are first time here, I would definitely recommend you to try the peanut butter chee cheong fun. It's really special. There's no other place that serves chee cheong fun with this kind of sauce. So if you are looking for one place that have different kind of food, you should come here. So if you're craving for some Thai food in Penang, this is my personal favorite Thai food in Penang. It's not located in Georgetown, but it's located in a neighborhood area in Galugo. It's near the first Penang Bridge. Price is reasonable and it's run by local Thai people here. I think they've been running the business for more than a decade. So my personal favorite recommendation is you must try their white tom yum. It's different from your typical red tom yum. This version of tom yum, I think it's more sourish. The spice level is there as well. So this is my personal recommendation. Feel free to come and try it if you are craving some Thai food. Today is a bit special, so I'm currently driving out from the Penang Island to Penang mainland, so across the Penang Bridge. I'm currently driving on the Penang Bridge. I'm gonna show you the food in Bukit Mertajam and Kulim as well. Bukit Mertajam is not short of good food as well. Bukit Mertajam is also a lot of good food and famous of their food as well. Just gonna do a short trip today to there to eat some food. It's gonna be mainly breakfast and lunch only, so it's really just a short half-day trip there. After lunch, I'll head back to the Penang Island. So let's go! So if you're first time in Bukit Mertajam, one food that you must try is the yam rice. So it's actually the rice cooked with a lot of yam and also dried shrimps, and it comes with a bowl of soup with a lot of pork meat and pork internal organs. So if you're a fan of like really porky soup, this is a must try food in Bukit Mertajam. Okay, so if you have watched my previous video, I think you will recognize this place. So I'm currently at the 888 Hokkien Mee. So in my previous video, I only ordered the Hokkien Mee. But today, I've ordered the Hokkien Law. So it's basically the combination of the Hokkien Mee and Lor Mee. I like it that they give a generous amount of garlic paste to go with the Lor Mee. And also another thing here you should try is the ice kacang with ice cream. It's a good combination that you're eating this scrumptious food and then pair with a really good dessert.